Want a future where you're in control of your money, earning interest, borrowing, and investing without needing a bank? That's what DeFi, or Decentralized Finance, is all about. But here's the catch. It sounds confusing. Terms like yield farming, staking, and liquidity pools can feel overwhelming, and diving in without understanding the basics, that could mean losing everything. That's why in this video, we're breaking DeFi down step by step, so you can finally understand how lending, borrowing, staking, and yield farming actually work in simple, beginner-friendly language. Because once you understand DeFi, you'll unlock a whole new world of financial possibilities. So what is DeFi? Think of it as rebuilding the entire banking system. Loans, savings, trading, but using blockchain technology instead of middlemen like banks. It runs on smart contracts, bits of code that automatically handle transactions for you. No humans needed. DeFi lending and borrowing. You can lend out your crypto and earn interest just like a bank. Or you can borrow crypto instantly, no credit score needed, just by offering your crypto as collateral. Yield farming. This is where you earn rewards for helping DeFi platforms work. You deposit your crypto into a pool, and that pool lets others trade. In return, you get paid more crypto. It's called yield, and it's kind of like earning rent for letting someone use your money. Staking. You lock up your crypto to help a blockchain run smoothly. While it's locked, you earn rewards, similar to interest in a savings account, but with higher returns and higher risks. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs, these are online marketplaces where people trade crypto directly with each other. No middlemen like Binance or Coinbase involved. You keep full control of your money, but DeFi isn't risk-free. Because it's all automated and decentralized, there's no customer service to call if something goes wrong. Hackers can exploit bugs in smart contracts. Crypto prices can change fast, and that could shrink your profits or even cause losses. And yes, there are scams too. If a new DeFi project promises insane returns with no risk, run. Always do your own research. Check the team, the code, and community trust. So how do you get started safely with DeFi? Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Start small. Learn as you go. Research every platform you use. Use a hardware wallet to store your crypto offline. This protects you from online hacks. And always double-check wallet addresses before sending any crypto. One wrong letter and your money is gone. So now you understand the basics of DeFi, how it works, the opportunities, and the risks. But if you're diving into crypto, there's one more thing you must understand: market cap. Because the price of a coin doesn't tell the full story. Watch my next video, Market Cap Explained. It'll completely change the way you judge cryptocurrencies. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others starting their crypto journey.